to my channel. I'm Jan, and today I want to tell you a little bit where I am, what I'm doing, and why I don't have new videos. You know that I started to make videos again in September, and I started to trade also September, and I opened account again, $1,000 with my broker Talinex, and I finished trading right now. So I was trading for 3 months, September, October, November. I was posting my results of trades, but in November I stopped doing this because I was extremely busy. I was trading a lot, and also I had some other things to do, and so you know, to making videos for Forex is a bit hard. It's not like normal blogs when you just talk and talk and you don't think what you're talking about, but in Forex I need to concentrate, I need to think, because I want to try to explain to you everything, and so you would understand what I'm trying to say. That's why I just didn't have time really for last, what is it, 3 or 4 weeks to make this kind of videos. But after that video, pretty soon, hopefully, I will make another one. I will show you my results of trading from $1,000, what the results I got and how I was trading, except you know already how I'm trading and what systems I use, but I will still tell you a little bit more about how I been trading it and what results I got. So in this video a little bit just want to tell you, so I don't trade now because it's December, and I was hoping to trade a little bit, but I'm traveling again and it's Christmas time, and also I don't trade January because it's all Russian holidays. So I probably will be back trading, hopefully, in February. But in January, well, between the holidays and having fun, I really believe I'm going to find time to make more videos and create them for you, to learn a little bit more about Forex, the way I trade, what I think helps in trading in Forex. But of course, first of all, I'm going to tell you that it's always risky. You should understand that. I think many of you understand that you can make money with Forex, also you can lose everything. So always think about it, remember that, and never use the last money which you're not prepared to lose. And so I'm getting lots and lots of comments and questions. You send me messages. I'm trying to all answer to you, everyone, maybe not fast and straight away, but I always try to respond as fast as I can. And so just wanted to tell you a little bit, because many people are still kind of thinking and asking if actually it's true Forex working, or maybe it's not working, is my system working, no, and how it works. So a little bit about that. Many people think that Forex is a scam. It's not true, because it's not the fast. It's like, you know, like many people think that when you put Forex like $100, for example, it's fast making well, I don't know, factory something machine, so you can make 1,000 10,000 like in few days or weeks. That is not true, and it's, you can risk, of course, and try, and if you are lucky, who knows, maybe you can, but I would say you can't, because it's not something which you want to risk so much to make so much money. You would have to risk a bit lower to start with, and you will be making not as much as you wanted to make. That's why many people think that it's all lies about Forex. You can't really make any good money out of it, but I can tell you that you can make a little bit riskier, maybe, yes, risking a bit more of your account, of your money, but you still can make if you would know how it works, and you would know how to use the techniques and knowledge in Forex. So what happens usually when you play in your demo account, it all works fine, because you know that in demo account it's not your money, and you placing more trades than you would do on real one. So I would say maybe when you start in trading, after you already played with your demo account, start with $100 and only place micro lots like 0.02 or 0.01, and just see how it works for you. First of all, you shouldn't be nervous, because nerves are very important. I was very nervous when I started, and of course I was closing the positions too early, or I was opening them too late. So it's very important not to be nervous. So you really need to be like cold-blooded, you know, like sit there in front of the computer and like be very concentrated and not disturbed and not nervous at all, like be pilot on your airplane. So you are responsible for your earnings, for your money. So you have to take all the nerves out. With the systems, what happens, of course, you will not find any system out there which will work 100% on profit, because market is moving, is changing, and of course that's why the systems would have to change sometimes. You might need to change some parameters in the system, or maybe you have to stop trading one system and concentrate on the other system. But usually you would better to use few systems in trading. Don't just stick to one system. So for example, also like with my, when I made my first video and I got lots of response, and people are saying like, oh, is it working, it's not working, I'm losing money. I'm saying to like some of those, I'm writing and telling you, you have to find a very good channel and to use that system. And many are like just trying to trade every single day and they're finding whatever channel it is, and it's not very good, and I'm saying it's not good channel, you shouldn't trade this one. So that's why I said, well, use Fibonacci lines that I gave you another video to use. It will help you to prevent those unnecessary trades. So if you use some help with like resistance and support levels, then it would be a bit better in your trading. And because as I say, maybe like 1 month you would have channel, you don't need those indicators or levels. As I said, the system actually has no indicators, no averages. You mostly don't use anything there. All you need is to find nice channel. But as I say, it might be only once a month, one channel a month. It might be once in 2 months. It might be every day. I don't know, because you never know. It's unpredictable. And also it's like you can look for the channels at specific time, but you might need to change. Maybe it's 1 hour a bit later, maybe it's 1 hour a bit earlier, or maybe any time. That's why many people, they just follow exact rules of one system, and if something goes wrong, like the market moves, changes, and people just starting to like not having good results, and then just like, oh, okay, the system doesn't work anymore, so all the Forex is rubbish. So that is the one big mistake with many people. You have to trade with different strategies, and always if you are actually serious about it, you have to see what is going on. You have to analyze the market and control the trades you have. You can change stop losses if you're not sure. You can make more profit. You can move stop losses. You see, there's lots of options to do. Many strategies you can use just to use them as not like a system with exact rules, but just like a strategies which you can adapt. You can to change some settings or anything else, and just depends on the situation in the market. So you have to understand this and do that, and that should work for you. But many of you don't know how to even change like the stop, or how to close some positions to leave. And so if you right at the beginning, then you have to learn a little bit more about Forex, how it works, how the market moves and why it moves, before you actually starting to trade real money or bigger lots, for example. So start with absolutely minimum and know how much you can lose. Because also the other problem is people losing the money is because they put $1,000 or well whatever 10,000, and then they open very big lots, and of course you have one bad trade and your money's gone. That's why you start with smaller, and it's better. Also another thing that people do, they start with small and then increase the lots, which I think is not right. It's my opinion exactly. I don't do like this. Actually there are two types of trading, let's say. It's aggressive and it's conservative or more passive, let's say. Aggressive is when you are exactly risking a lot of your account and passive way, let's say, it's when you are conservative, you are losing, well, you think you might lose only about 1-3% of your account. Of course, when you're thinking 1-3% of your account, it's very small. If you small account, it's very small profit, you will not make a lot, but it's a start. So you try with that first, and then you will go for bigger lots. That's how I started, of course, with the smaller ones. Like now, because in my opinion, I know a little bit, I know about the market, I can trade, I think, but of course I'm not a professional still, and I also never sure exactly 100% that my trades will all work 100%. And I I'm something between the aggressive and the conservative trading. Yes, I do risk quite a lot, so like I put like $1,000 and I trade one lot, which is, it's too much. But as I say, I don't trade every single day. When I start to grow my account, I go, when I use such big lots, one lot is quite a lot. So usually it's end up as about what, 30% of my account I'm risking. And I understand that, and I'm not blaming anyone. I know if I will lose this 30%, it's my fault, because I can only try and do only 5% of my account, only 3%. But I know it's not going to be big money. Of course, I want to grow my account fast, but that's why I only go for few trades. I look and use my strategies and my systems, so the other systems, and I trade. I look at the market, I see what is going on, I'm analyzing it, and then I go into trade. Many people also make big mistake. They think that you have to trade every single day, and they trade whether it's good or not good, they still do it. Well, no, you have to look and find the moment, go into the trade. If you see the market behavior is strange, don't go. So that's what I'm saying. My trades could be, sometimes I can make only one trade a month, maybe it could be 5 trades a month, maybe it could be 1 in 2 months. So as I'm saying, it's not every single day. Don't go into it every single day, and then you might be maybe you will miss a good move, but also you might miss a bad move too. So you have to be you have to analyze market and think, and not trade without thinking. Let's say it that way. I think it's understandable what I'm trying to say. So that's how I think that's why people lose the money and they don't believe anyone. And I know there's lots of people there who's trying to sell different EAs and different strategies, and people buying them and they don't work. And again, as I'm saying to you, most of those strategies, they do actually work, and because many those who sell them, they use in the past results. But as I say, you don't have to trade it straight away on real accounts. You can try on demo accounts first. And of course, at that time of wherever the EA or strategy you get, it was working. Well, these days it might not work. So that's why you have to look at it and you have to make changes. Any system, you would have to do it, and you have to understand that. So you wouldn't be disappointed. That's what I'm trying to say. Disappointment and no trust to any systems, it all comes from that, because most of the systems are used on one specific time. But the market is kind of doing the way that it's changing, but it's coming back to the previous way how it was behaving. So that's why the systems, like yesterday's system might not work, today it might work, or tomorrow it might not work again. It's different. You have to control it. If you are actually serious about trading and you want to trade, you really need to learn how to do it. And I would say probably semi-manual. When you are actually controlling it, you are placing maybe manual trades, or you using little experts which would help you. But I wouldn't go for just like fully automated systems unless you have a big account and you know what you're doing. But it's still the best is to look after your trades and see what is going on, and control it a bit. So I think that's all what I was going to say. And yeah, there's another thing I wanted to say. Maybe again, many things they learn a lot about Forex, and because I get sometimes messages that saying that I don't pronounce something properly, I don't say it correct or anything, and so it's kind of a little bit frustrating for me, because I think in Forex it's not as important how you pronounce or how you call different things. It's the important thing is to know how it works. So I think that's more important. That's why maybe you need to pay some of you pay attention more on how it really works, and don't pay much attention how you call it. That's if I couldn't say it understandable. So, and of course using few different strategies will always help you. So that's, I think, what I wanted to say just quickly. So once again, I will be continue with my videos. So after this one, soon I will be making a video about how I was trading my $1,000 account. I also had my $100 account, which I'll show you how much I've traded there. And I was using mostly EA out there, which wasn't again full automated, it just was helping me with some trades. And I will show you how it all worked and what I achieved. And so later on, hopefully maybe in January, I will continue to make videos about Forex and what I use also. Everything is based on exactly my trading, so it's all from I've learned everything from trading all by myself. I mean, I'm not taking it from somewhere, nobody like tells me what to do, how to do, it's just everything on my own. And also, as I'm saying to you, if you will be getting response a little bit later, it's all because I'm just doing it all by myself. I don't have any team who's helping me, nobody's helping me at all. So that's why I extremely short on time. So I'm trying hard, and I really want to help many of you to learn at least basics of trading and something to be to help you to be a bit more successful, in my opinion. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe because more videos will be coming. And if you have questions, comments, please, you can leave any comments, maybe like what you want to see in my next videos, what are you interested in. Except I'm getting quite some response from you. I kind of know what you are interested in, what kind of videos to make, but still leave comments and I'll try to respond as fast as I can. Okay, so thanks and bye everyone.